Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y, change in Y, and also we will check the trend cycle for both the indices. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the last trading price, the closing price, and it was at 21,187.35 is on June 8th, 2020, and we are talking about 11 June expiry. Now time to find out the trading range. Trading range is the range between the highest call and highest put. The highest call will act as the highest resistance, and whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for the Bank Nifty. Now for finding range, we will go to this column and find where is the highest call open interest. Here you can see around 7,82,000 contracts are over here at 22,000 strike, followed by here 6,79,000 contracts at 23,000 strike. So this one is the highest resistance. This is going to be the second highest resistance for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty tries to go up. And if we talk about immediate resistance, and this strike can act as immediate resistance, that is 11,500. Also, if we talk about the change in Y, then this one 22,000 strike have 3,15,000 open interest in change side at 22,000. So this is important, and followed by 23,000, which have around 3 lakh contracts open last day only. Now the highest put, if we go through this column, we will find that here is the highest put around 6,68,000 contracts are at 20,000, which is going to be the highest support for the Bank Nifty, followed by 5,16,000 contracts added at 19,000 strike. This is the second support for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty goes down. However, if we talk about the immediate support, then 21,000 may act as immediate support, as it has around 4 lakh contracts, and followed by 20,500 also will act as immediate support with the Y of 4,66,000 open interest. And if we talk about the change in Y, then this is the 21,000 have very good change in Y around 1,79,000, and this one 20,500 also have very good change in Y around 1,90,000. So these are going to be important level for Bank Nifty. Now if we talk about the range, then we can say the range of the Bank Nifty is anywhere from 20,000 to 22,000. This is going to be the range for the Bank Nifty, 20,000 to 22,000, keeping the pivot level. Pivot level is 21,000 is the pivot level, which have 2,31,000 call side Y and 3,88,000 put side Y. So this one is going to be the make or break level. Above this, Nifty, Bank Nifty will try to go towards 21,500, and 22,000. Below this, it will try to go towards 20,500, 20,000. So this is the trading range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the pivot level 21,000. And if we see this net chain, this indicates the call buying, and this here if we see all red indicates the put writing. So this data also indicates the positiveness in Bank Nifty. So overall on Y data, Bank Nifty seems to be strong. So we can see some upside movement next day. Now time we will also check it on trend cycle. Before that, we will move towards Nifty and check out the closing price, which is at 10,167.45 on June 8, 2020, and we are talking about 11 June expiry. Now now time to find out trading range, highest call and highest put, highest resistance and highest support. For finding highest resistance, we will check out this column, and you can see here is the highest resistance. Around 10,50,000 contracts are open over here. 10,500 strike has the highest resistance. Around 25 lakh contracts are open over here, followed by 22 lakh contracts at 10,400. So these are two important level, and also these strike have very good amount of call writing. See this one, 20 lakh contracts at 10,003 and 15 lakh contracts at 10,200 strike. So these are the resistance zone for Nifty. Now if we talk about the put side, then here is the highest put, around 22 lakh contracts at 10,000, followed by 20 lakh contracts at 9,800. So these are the important level on OY. And if we talk about change in Y, then 3,31,000 contracts at 9,800 strike. And also if you can see this one, 6,61,000 contracts added today only at 10,000. So these are the important level on the change in OY input side as well. So these are going to be the immediate support. This one is going to be the immediate support for the Nifty, because it has around 12 lakh contracts over here. So overall the range of the Nifty seems to be 10,000 to 10,300. So this is going to be the range, keeping the pivot level at 10,100. 10,100 is the pivot level. We can see this is the pivot level, because here we have 12 lakh contracts and 6 lakh contracts this side. So this may be also act as the pivot 10,012, because here we have around 15 lakh and 8 lakh contracts this side. So this is the pivot level for Nifty. Now if you see this change, this indicates the call writing here, and this indicates the put writing. This indicates some negativity, this indicates some positivity. So Nifty looks range bound, because we can see here the huge call writing, and this side also the huge put writing. So Nifty looks range bound. However, it is also little positive, range bound and little positive. So this is on data of Y and change in Y. We'll also check out the VIX and Max Pen and other trend cycle. For that purpose, we will come towards our blog. I'll put the link in video description. Here is the Max Pen. Bank Nifty has 21,000, and previously it was here, and also Nifty has here. So Max Pen has increased. So this indicates a positiveness in indices. And if we see the trend cycle, then Bank Nifty also started showing some positiveness in it, and also Nifty is in positive zone already. So on trend cycle, these are looks bullish. So this is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you like. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. And if you left with any confusion, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching.